Hi, today we will talk about how can you fix your problem that you have on Instagram. You just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here like you say, and you just go down. You will click here on apps and you go here to this is window or apps window. You just go down here to looking for Instagram app here and this is window. Then you will click here on Instagram and you come to this is window here, app info, and you click here on for stop. Then you click here on OK, and you click here on storage. Then you come to storage window. You just click here on clear cache. Then you click here on clear data, and you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it, and it's going to work with you. So that's all. Now you just follow this is way, and it's going to work with you. I wish now you I get it. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.